In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix text cutoff in Word margins. If you're working on a document in Microsoft Word and notice that the edges of your text, tables, or letters are getting chopped off at the margins, it can make your document look completely broken. This usually happens due to negative indents, table overflow, or fixed line spacing. And I'm going to show you step by step how to fix this text cutoff in under 2 minutes. First, let's check if your text paragraph has been accidentally dragged past the margin border. Highlight the text that's getting cut off on the sides. Look up at the top horizontal ruler bar, and if you don't see it, you need to enable it. As you can see, I have the ruler here. Look at the small gray indent markers on the far left and right. As you could see right here, we have them right here. And if the right indent marker I set is outside the white page area, click it and drag it back to align with the margin boundary line. As you could see in my case, it's right over here and it's right where my text is ending on both sides. It is now that it should pass outside of this white end border. And if your text is getting cut off inside a table because the cells extend past the edge of the page, fixing it takes just a few clicks. Just click anywhere inside the overflowing table and then select it. Right-click the four-way crosshair icon right over here, hover over AutoFit, and choose AutoFit to Window like this. In Word, we'll instantly shrink your table and all contain text so it fits perfectly inside your page margins. Finally, if the tops or bottoms of your letters look sliced off vertically, you're dealing with a line spacing look. Highlight the clipped text and go to the Home tab, which should be this one here. Click the small paragraph setting arrow right over here and look at the line spacing dropdown. Click here and then choose exactly from the dropdown. In Word, we'll force the line heights to a fixed number, which chops off taller fonts. You could also change it to multiple or at least, and then click OK, and your letters will expand a full height. And that is it. That's how to fix text cutoff in Word margins in Microsoft Word. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.